Hello everyone. Welcome to the next video after this one. So I will try to keep it more shorter. So right here we discussed about class C, and from here just keep on following my videos because that was the last video, previous one, and that was the last one. So supernetting versus subnetting. Now here what I want to tell you is that we in class C subnetting we are interested only in this area. We are not interested in anything that happens before here. So what I'm gonna do is I'll draw this again. This is our class C mask, or different masks that we use in class C. So let's start from here. So if you see this, really to be honest with you, this is not really a class C mask. It's really a class B mask, but we take it as a class C mask just for the fun of it. Once you move more into subnetting, it's actually from here where the class C really starts, from slash 25, which is 128 value. So slash 25 is 128 value here. So again, network, 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 host. So we are interested only in this. We are interested in this. We are not interested in this area for the time being in class C. So as I said to you, if I move back 192.168.193.75, that's a class C IP address. 192.168.44.184, that's a class C IP address. My way of telling or discussing this with you is very normal because I don't really want you to, take a longer time and put yourself together in class A and B and C and mix yourself up. It's like you got to learn class C first, then you move on to B and A. That's how it works well for me. But if you want to, you're more than welcome that you can actually study more as well. So what I'm saying to you is here, we'll be doing some, I want you to have a look at it because we'll be doing some really tricky IP subnetting class C ones in the coming videos. So we are only worried about this area at the moment. So when I say that we are in the fourth octet, so as I discussed this before you, 8, 8, 8, and this 8 right in the end, the one which is here, this is what we are more interested in. We don't really care what happens in this one. So when I'm here, there's 8 values inside it. Inside this one whole octet, what are those 8 values? Now that's a really good question. Obviously I've asked it, but no worries. Let's carry on from this side. So supposedly, this is your fourth octet. And that's a class C. Yeah, so that's your fourth octet in class C. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's our fourth octet here. So I will break them up now. So here we go. More easier for you. So I'm gonna tell you what they are. This is 128. That's 192. This is a 224. All of them have got values. Remember this. So that's the fourth one, is a 240. And easily, once you learn these, it will be more easier for you to do what you're doing. 248, then 252, and the last one that we have here, actually it's not actually the last one, we have a 254. The last one is a 255. So, but to be honest with you, it really goes till here. it really goes till 252, 254, because we are really left with very less IP addresses to put somewhere. So yeah, so this is how it works. Now, the question you'll be asking is, okay, that's the fourth octet in class C. What are these? Actually, these values relate to a table, which is very important. And it's a table which is so important in subnetting. So I'm going to show you that table. It works in every single octet of IPv4 subnetting here. So what is happening here? So that's 192. So just remember these values. Do not forget them. That 128 is a /25. That 192 is a /26. A lot of people are, in the network diagrams, what's this /25? What's this /26? This is what it is. That's the value there. So remember them. Now, 224 is /27. If it's not making any sense, don't worry about it. Just keep on watching the video again and again. You will know where I am coming from. You will definitely know. It's just about knowing what you are actually doing here. Once you know what you're doing here, then it gets so easy. The subnetting, it will be like this. You'll be doing it like this. And it's not really important whether you're doing it for the certificates or the uni. What matters is you learn this skill. This skill will always stay with you all your life. It's for learning purposes, or you're working in IT services, you will know what's happening. There's more concepts, but for the time being, that's a /29. And then we have 252. That's a /30. We are really interested in these. Once you're talking about /31 and /32, they're not used a lot, but just to let you know, 254 and 255. So, just as a recall, in class C subnetting, we are working on the fourth octet. So in the fourth octet, which is actually here, the host portion that we are working in here, has 8 values. So 8 values or 8 bits. If I say 8 bits, so 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. I think so. If I do make any mistakes, please do correct me or write in the comment section, because I'm still a learner like yourself. So yeah. So these are the 8 values. Here, these are the 8 bits, which furthermore are simplified into these values. And these values, in every single octet, they will remain the same. Which ones? 128 is /25. So we are talking about the fourth octet. And that's class C. Remember, do not mix it up with other classes. At the moment, we are in class C. So this is what I want you to see, that /25. So how is it /25? Question. Remember this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Carry on counting them. So that's till here is /16. 8 plus 8 is 16. Now if we add 8 more, that's 24. So till here is /24. And there is the /24 here. From here, your class C starts. But there is a confusion. Do not worry about it. In the new books, it's written as well. This is actually a part of class. In some places, it's a part of class B. Some people say it's a part of class C. So that's another thing. Not to worry. But first, what we need to do is learn this so that we can solve the IPv4 class C questions for the exam. And then after learning subnetting, we can do supernetting. Organize these ranges into a chart. and from that chart we will know, okay, this is my laptop, this IP address needs to be allocated here, this is another machine, it's going to be allocated here, that's the router one, or the switch. So it's one of those things which happening. So not to confuse you, switch usually use MAC addresses, so we'll be discussing them as well. So from here we'll move on to the next video.